Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I got a new wig to share with you, honey, and this is by ReadyWig of ReadyWig.com. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. So this is the packaging right here. It's cute or whatever, right? Inside they do include stocking caps. Everybody knows I love the beige stocking caps, and this is one of the 2-packs. Can never get enough stocking caps, especially if you're a wig wearer like me. You can never have too many. Okay, now you do get a care card. Now this explains to you how to take care of your wig. If you don't know already, we already know, honey. I'm very, very, very advanced in my wig wearing, so I don't need nobody to tell me how to take care of my wig, okay? I know what to do. I already know what to do. Now they did include this cute little spray bottle. You can put product in it, water in it, whatever you like to do to style your wigs. Now that is really, really cool. This is great. I'd rather have this than those lashes that some people include. Yeah, don't give me any lashes. Give me something, you know, usable. Well, let's go ahead and get into this unit. Now this is a bob unit, honey. Yes, look at this color on it. Now this is like a dusty mauve type lavender. I know that it's coming off like a purpley color, but in person it's more of a pinky purple, which is really, really gorgeous. It's very, very pretty. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the lace cut, but before I do that, I'm gonna show you the cap construction because, you know, I like to show you every little detail, honey. Yes. So you get ear-to-ear lace, basic standard construction here. You got some combs at the top, one at the very, very, very top. What you know what I should say? Temple combs. These are temple combs. You got one at the top. You have adjustable straps here in the back. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You know, basic cap construction. Now it does come with like a part kind of already in it, but let me see if we can change that should we wanted to. Now you get a little wiggle room with that part, so you can change it up within this little U area, you know, or you can do the shift method, you know, shift that thing, put that part wherever you want it. But that's usually what I do, so I never really have a problem with the parting. Now it does come with baby hairs, which is a plus, so we don't have to do anything extra with the cutting. Just gel them down should we decide to do some fancy baby hairs. So we're gonna go ahead and cut this lace, and we're gonna come back with this baby tried on. Yes, honey. Alright, so this is how I have the wig styled for now, and as you saw in the unboxing, alright, so here we go. I'm going to give you the honest tea on this unit. Now, I do like the unit. I really, really do. I feel like, though, in all honesty, in some lights, I feel like this wig could come off as a little cosplay-ish, but I do like it nonetheless. The color is beautiful. It's like a dusty rose, mauve-y, purpley color. So I'm vibing with the color. I do love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now the baby hairs. Now I know some people don't like baby hairs, but honey, with a unit like this that's like really, really blunt, you need those baby hairs to camouflage that. And I feel like the baby hairs are really, really coming through and doing their thing and making this wig wearable. So, do I recommend the wig? Yes, I do like the wig. I think it's cute, very, very affordable. So be sure to check out the link down below to get your hands on one of these units from ReadyWigs.com, honey. Now they have a bunch of synthetic wigs as well as human hair wigs, but if you're looking for the switch up and you want some cool colors for the spring and summer, I think these are perfect. Nice length, not too long, not too short, like a lob, honey. Lob, long bob, okay? Really, really cute. Let me show you from the side, honey. From the side. Alright. So this is a back view. So yeah, the wig is cool. I like it. I'm loving the color. I love that it's big head friendly because you can adjust it, do whatever you need. And I did cut the lace rather close, as you saw. But yeah, that's it for me. I love this unit, honey. Be sure to check them out. So yeah, I'm very, very thankful for that. But yes, honey, yes. Check out ReadyWigs. Check out some of my other videos too while you're here. Okay? Bye.